Hello everybody, Nick and Nick here to talk about Diablo, and we're going to talk about the recip blades. More importantly, the newest one that just came out.
Our new reciprocating saw blades are amped blades. So, the typical progression of reciprocating blades goes from bimetal to carbide. But what we did, we took that carbide to another level. We call it amped. So you can see the difference. So our normal carbide blade has 50 times the life, whereas this amped blade has 100 times the life. And the main visual difference is this amped blade has a black tip, a black coating, versus standard carbide blade has a white coating.
What kind of class pipe did you cut out there?
So I was cutting 304 stainless. Main thing for us in our reciprocating blades, when you're cutting metals, for us it'll cut stainless, standard, any type of ferrous material with the same speed, same precision.
So when you were cutting out there, the blades seemed to be pretty intact and you cut through that thing like butter.
The carbide technology for us, it just allows for a fast, smooth, clean cut every time. So with that 100 times the life, from cut to cut, you're not going to see a big difference between cut speed. So from cut 1 to cut 10, you're going to see the same speed.
So I guess the real question is because the recip blades have already been one of the best in the industry, so what's the upgrade?
We are a premium brand, so we try to create an industry's first in every single product category. Our carbide blades, 50 times the life, we're already the top out there on the market, so we want to step up even another level. So for these amp blades, that 100 times the life versus 50x life, it's all the difference. So that black coating is actually called black ice coating. So it's a different blend of carbide that allows for a longer life. This blade can handle some serious applications. So a firefighter, they're encountering life-threatening issue where they need to cut something very quickly. So with this blade, they can cut through any ferrous material with ease. But we're starting to put this amped carbide on our full range of products. Right now we have it in the medium metal, the thick metal, general purpose, and we're gonna start to add this amp to different blades as well. So we'll have nail-embedded wood, but right now our focus is these couple blades right now. For firefighters and these first responders are using our blades, so it can handle whatever application you're looking for.
And just like all of your products that you have out, the compatibility, it's very universal and fits just about any of the platform that people are on.
All we do is accessories, and that's what we specialize in. So we're not making the power tools, but the good thing with that is we are fully universal. So whatever brand tool you have, we are compatible with it.
So you can find this new blade in the links below, or if you have any questions, give us a comment and I'll reach out to this guy to get an answer for you. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work. Mostly because of how reliant they are, right? Is that a word? Reliant?
Reliable.
Reliable. Reliant.